Hey everybody, today we're in a Honda Accord. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 856010. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering here and under here. Now, you'll want to peel that cover off before you actually attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always make sure you install the mount onto the dash before you screw the holder to this faceplate. So with that, we can get started. Now, this mount is going to attach on the Accord right over this metal grate in the center here. So the two seams we're going to use are right where the metal grate meets the top of the dash here and where it meets the bottom of the dash down here. So the mount comes with an angled gap opener. And you're going to want to come over about probably, if you count these peaks here, come about the fourth one over from your knob in the center here. And you're going to want to just get that gap opener up into the seam just to open this up for us. Now on the mount, you'll notice that the two lips here, one of them is a little bit longer than the other. The longer one is the one we're going to put into the upper seam. So now that this is opened with the gap opener, we can just slide it in there. Now we can take the gap opener out, and we're actually going to move it now to the lower seam. We want to make sure we're still right next to the mount. So insert it just to open that seam, and now we're going to use our fingers to push the mount up because we want to flex it a little bit so we can get it over this lip and down into the seam we're talking about. So I'm going to put my fingers here, thumb on the faceplate. I'm going to press up and in, and it snaps into place. Now we can remove the gap opener, and we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.